What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Jay Reed. So check it out. If you follow me for any amount of time, you know I typically like to run vinyl in on the windshield. A while back I took the vinyl off for whatever reason. Well, now we are fixing to put it back. I've got a new strip of vinyl that we're going to put on the windshield, and eventually I really want to wrap my car, but that's a task that I don't know if I want to do right now, just because it's gonna cost money, and if I mess it up, that means I done wasted money. But that's neither here nor there. Right now, we are fixing to back the Vet out, and we're gonna do it outside in the sun. It's an absolutely beautiful day, so why not? But it looks like my battery is about to die, so the first thing I need to do is put a new battery in this GoPro. All right, we got the Vet backed out. Before I start putting this banner on, we need to clean this up a little bit. I had to wash the car really quick to get some of that tar off from the track, the rubber off from the track. And I was in a hurry, so I didn't get to wash it good. I probably need to even wash it again. But we're gonna clean that window off. We know we're gonna do that. Need to put some more air in my tires since I won't be going to the track until I may go next weekend. Don't know, not for sure. But anyway, we're gonna clean this off and get it going so we can put this banner on the windshield. And we'll be done with this project. I've done it a million times before. Pretty easy project. Watch as soon as I say that, I'll mess it up. Terrible. Why do I keep putting the camera to the side? Now I got this vinyl off Amazon. Since the last time I did this, I know the technology has increased. So I'm curious to see how it actually goes on the car. Because when I originally did this years ago, the quality of the vinyl, I mean, it was good and you can still do whatever you need to do, but it seems like now the technology in the vinyl is so much better. It's going to make this job that much more easier. We already got the windshield cleaned off. Now we're fixing to put this vinyl on. I need to get some masking tape because I kind of use that and a tape measure, because that's what I use to get it straight. So let me get those tools and get to work. This is that you got to be careful about. Number one, putting that up there like that is, since this window isn't perfectly curved, you're gonna have to come down here a little bit lower probably than what you think you should, just so once it goes over the windshield, you'll have enough space right here. You'll see what I'm talking about. Because if you come up here, by the time you get in the middle, you're only gonna have about that much covered, and you're gonna be cutting off more than what you should. So you gotta kind of start low. I usually come down about 6 inches. So by the time we get in the middle, it'll be somewhere up in here. So we got the tape measure, we got the tape. I'll tape it off on this side 6 inches, tape it off on that side 6 inches. Then I'll tape the vinyl right here. And I'll come back and tape the vinyl over here on the sides. Then we'll get to cutting, then we'll lay it on. Pretty fairly simple process. As with anything, you just gotta take your time. Okay, so this was actually a perfect example of what I was talking about, because 6 inches was not nearly enough. I had to bring it all the way down to 10 inches just to cover up that much in the center. So down here on the sides, we'll have 10 inches, and over and in the middle, that'll probably be like six inches. So you know, you got to cover up quite a bit. And this is like a 5x2, something like that, 5x2 roll. And I had to cut off a little bit, so you got one time to get it right. So then we got that done. I'm going to tape it down a little better over there, probably tape it in the center, maybe. And we're going to start peeling this off and go that way. This is what it looks like so far. Hope that's even Steven. It's not totally even, but from far back, it looks pretty even from side to side. That's what's important. Now we just need to cut that up at the top, get it sealed real nice, and squeeze some of these bubbles out. I mean, this, as I was saying earlier, this wrap is pretty good, but honestly, it's not that much difference than the older wrap that we all used to use. But we are almost done with this. The hard part is cutting this, not scratching your window. So that may take a second to get right, because I ain't gonna lie to you, I normally end up messing that part up, but normally the human eye can't see it unless I point it out to you. Hopefully we won't mess that up this time. So let's finish this out, because just looking at these bubbles are starting to get on my nerve, starting to mess with my anxiety. Ain't got no damn anxiety. Got it done, folks. I don't know why, but I love the look of the banner. I love the look. Even just the plain black changes it up tremendously. Now, there are some flaws, yep, in my cutting. I'm not going to point them out, but if you see them, if you see the flaws on the video, that means they are some tremendous flaws. Let me know in the comments if you can find the flaws in my cutting, because there are quite a few of them. several flaws, but hey, I'm gonna make it do what it do for now. Now I do need to get this grease. I should have put on some rubber gloves because we got grease on the banner from my greasy hands, probably from when I was actually cleaning it. So yeah, that part. But in all, the secret to it, getting the bubbles out is easy nowadays because of the technology. But you know, getting it straight, cutting it, you don't want to cut in the rubber. You know, that can kind of be, I ain't never mastered that. But hey, save myself a few bucks and it looks decent. So if you're thinking about doing it yourself, go on and try it. The vinyl is like 20 bucks. It's like 20 bucks. If I think about it, I'll put a link in the description. But it's like 20 bucks. Just go ahead, use it. It's pretty good vinyl. It works. It worked on mine. I've done it at least 4 times. Still can't get the cutting right. But if you're going with black, and especially if your car is black, nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. This your boy. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.